Hey guys, welcome to Yogi's Trading Lounge channel. Just wanted to share my performance over the past week. I had a wonderful week, and I'm using a swing trading strategy wherein I could make $1,500 last week over three trades. On a utilized capital, it translates to a return of around 28%, and uh, on the actual capital, it's around 12% return. So we'll get to that, and also we will explore what the strategy is that I'm currently using. I'm trading using this swing trading strategy since 2023, and it has given me pretty good returns on in excess of 40% in 2023. uh, so before we start, I would like to show you the statements of profit and loss so that we can see the actual return. So this is from 11th, as you can see. This is from 11th to 17th, which is around a week's data which we have here. uh, so this is what the report was like. Maybe I can run it again to see the fresh report. uh, we go here to statements. In I use a broker called Interactive Brokers. I'm pretty sure many of you know that. Then I just click on realized summary, and I've taken a custom date range from 10th of June to 17th, because we don't have the 18th numbers available in this report as of now, because it's 18th still, so we have data only till 17th. Now let's view in a browser. So yes, the report is being generated, and we'll see exactly the PNL just to verify the numbers. So if you see here, realized and unrealized performance summary. So what is this? So we have here the realized profit in futures. uh, is realized is this one 2679, and in options on futures the losses are 1174. So the total realized is around 1469, right? But this is what it is till 17th. uh, I've realized a profit of 147 say 1469 here in futures and options. And if we also see the trades, so these are the trades. When we see the trades, we again see the total realized profit of 2679 in trades in the futures, whereas there is a loss of 1174.91 in options on futures. So if you take the difference, it comes around $1,500, right? So that's the profit I made in 1 week. Now let's go to the strategy. The strategy is I'm using a super trend indicator here. So first I'm opening a daily chart of S&P 500 futures on trading view. So this chart is of E-mini S&P 500 futures on trading view platform. Then I'm using inbuilt 10-2 super trend indicator to just see how the trend is. What is the trend? Is it bullish or bearish? So if the super trend is green in color and below the candles, then it is depicting a bullish trend. And if the super trend is above the candles and red in color, it's depicting a bearish trend. So we go with the trend. We will go bullish now because the super trend is indicating a bullish trend. And so I've been taking bullish trades from 3rd of May. But why I made a good profit just from 10th of June is because the trend has become extremely bullish. As you can see, for the entire duration of May, the market was pretty flat, trying to consolidate around the same level as the earlier top, which was around maybe close to 5,330. So, but then it achieved a breakout on 5th of June, and then it just took off from there. So this is the reason I'm making money here. I'm following a directional strategy. The strategy is you buy a future and sell at the money call option if you are bullish, and you sell a future and sell at the money put option if you are bearish. So here is the position that I currently have. I have September future, which is long, and I am short on the call option, uh, which was at the money when I bought this future. So my buying price is 5545, and I sold this 5540 call, which is almost at the money, right? So I took this trade yesterday, and it is going on fine now. I'm making around $200 there. So when the trend is strong, you are going to make a lot of money. As you can see here, I made $983 on June 12 in futures, and the loss was around 580 in options. So I exit this trade when the option and future combination gives a profit of around 50 to 70%. Similarly, here also I exited another combination on June 17, when the profit here was $581 and the loss in uh, option was $220. Sometimes the movement occurs early in the morning, so I don't track it so much. So sometimes uh, it is very high, right? So I mean, if the market moves a lot and I'm not tracking it, then you will have numbers which are significantly higher. That's why I said you have to target between 50 to 70% of the option premium when you are going to close out the trade. So these are just two trades, and then so there is one more trade that is not shown in trader workstation. As we can see here, this trade was settled on 11th of June. I realized a profit of $386 in the futures, and I booked a loss of $55 in the corresponding option, the 14th June option. So net, I had a net profit in this trade, right? So this, along with the addition of the profit realized in these two trades, gave me a $1,500 of profit. Now currency here is USD, so we must remember that I have to convert it to CAD to get the actual numbers in Canadian dollars. So if you see what is the total profit here that I could realize in 7 days, let's go to calculator, and I have this 2679.33 minus this is 1174.91, right? So minus 1174.91. So yeah, around $1,500 of profit. And if you see the capital utilization here, capital used is 5.2k, right? That's $5,200. So if you divide it by 5,200, that's around 29% return in 1 week. But there might be some losses as well, so you can't just keep capital which is exactly equal to 5.2k. Maybe you can keep a little bit extra. I am very conservative, so my capital is around 14k here, but I'm using only 5.2k to trade. But yeah, like, you can obtain pretty good returns in futures and options. That's the point I'm trying to bring across. And this strategy you can use. It's a pretty good strategy. uh, just try to see how the super trend is behaving and try to enter a trade in futures and then sell a corresponding option. Futures trading takes a lot of practice, so definitely try to paper trade before that. Otherwise, emotional trading is not good for profits. uh, that's about it. That's all I wanted to show you in the current video. Hope you liked it, and hope you gain some insights too. Maybe you can make good profits using this strategy as well. I will be back soon after I have a couple more trades in my swing trading strategy. And yes, see you all in another video. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the content. Thank you.